Important dates application begin. The 30th of May 2023 last date for apply online. The 30th of June 2023 up to 5:30 p.m. last date pay exam fee. The 30th of June 2023 merit. Exam date. Notified soon admit card available. Before exam application fee general, OBC, EWS, 100, SC, ST, PH, 0, all category female, 0, pay the examination fee through fund transfer, NEFT. Engagement of apprentices under Apprentices Act 1961 notification no. App 01-202324 ONLINE applications are invited from eligible candidates for engagement as Act apprentices for imparting training under the Apprentices Act 1961 or RBE. No. 120201 dated 6 October 2015 in the designated trades at Integral Coach Factory, duly giving preference to candidates from Tamil Nadu. Applications completed in all respects should be submitted online till the 30th of June 2023 by visiting ICF web portal